If you're selling in Wake or Franklin County, you're probably feeling like buyers suddenly have all the powers. Right now in Franklin County, that median sales price in October was around 438,000, but homes are taking about 76 days to sell, almost double of last year. And in nearby Lewisburg, roughly 13% of listings had to reduce their price in October just to wake those buyers up, even though the median price was about 332,500. And homes were still moving in about a month. So pricing and strategy matter a lot. At the same time, new construction around the area is throwing out huge incentives. Some communities are advertising tens of thousands in savings, plus help with closing costs. So when buyers use their preferred lenders, they get those incentives. And because of that, we need to pivot our strategy. So nationally, almost 44% of home sales this year included seller concessions like closing costs, help, repair credits, or rate buy downs. Resale sellers are now competing with all of that. So if you're selling in Wake or Franklin County, here's how to position your home like the smart builders do without giving it away. Number one, nail the price, then use concessions as a tool. So price your home based on the last 30 to 60 days in your micro neighborhood, not what your neighbor got in the springtime. And then instead of a giant price cut, advertise something like 8,000 towards closing costs or 2-1 rate buy down so the buyers focus on their monthly payment. Number two, market your incentives up front. You don't want to hide those goodies in the fine print. Put it in the first line of your listing, social posts, like sellers are offering closing cost help or rate buy down with acceptable offer. Buyers are very payment sensitive right now, and this makes your home stand out in a search. So number three, show better than the competition. In a market where more homes are sitting and many in the Raleigh area are now selling below asking price, presentation's everything. Fresh paint, clean carpets, updated lighting, pressure wash. Declutter your rooms. These are cheap compared to your first $10,000 price drop. So think move in ready plus peace of mind, and consider a pre-inspection or at least take care of obvious repairs, then offering a home warranty in your concessions. Buyers love feeling like they're not walking into a money pit. Be flexible on your terms, not just price. Sometimes the win isn't lowering the price, it's helping with closing costs. It's paying a year of HOA dues. It's offering a rate buy down instead of a price cut. These can keep your headline price strong while still solving the buyer's payment problem. And if you're thinking about selling in Wake or Franklin County and you're not sure whether you should drop your price or offer concessions, that's where I come in. And if you're in Wake or Franklin County and you want a game plan that competes with new construction without just slashing your price, comment seller or send me a DM. I'll pull your local stats, I'll run the real numbers, and I'll show you exactly how to position your home to win in this market. I'm Jenifer Salter, Realtor with eXp Realty and founder of your Elect team. And let's make your house the one that buyers circle, not the one that they scroll past.